When I explain to people the importance of carving out our own path using our own resources, they often counter that my advice isn't universal. They argue that not everyone can be self-reliant or entrepreneurial. What stands out to me is that their approach often doesn't make sense. They depend solely on job hunting because they believe they have no other option. I find it very risky to rely on a single source of income. Times have changed significantly, with jobs disappearing or failing to provide enough to live decently, which is very concerning. More people are seeking alternatives to supplement their income, and you've likely experienced this shift at some point in your life. Today, almost 35% of the global workforce works independently. The innovation lies in how quickly one can start a business today and reach customers. The process of launching a business is faster and cheaper than it was 20 years ago. It's a reality that no one becomes wealthy working for others. An employee, for instance, earns by the hour or by time, essentially renting out their mind for a few hours each day. Since your time is limited, your earnings are also limited. When your time runs out, so do your chances of making more money. This concept underscores the need for a shift in mindset from working for others to working for oneself. What I'm suggesting is a fundamental change in mindset. Start charging for results rather than time. People who truly make money work on their own projects and manage their time as they see fit. Escape the trap known as the rat race and create a successful business. Building a successful business takes time, possibly months or even years. In terms of earnings, it can take decades for a startup to reach a point where it generates significant profit. This long-term commitment is crucial for success. A crucial aspect of business that we need to understand is that even if a company doesn't generate profit initially, it still holds value. This value is determined by the profits the company will generate over its lifetime. PayPal is a fitting example. In its early days, around 2001, the company didn't generate any profit. When the company's value was calculated at that time, it was found that most of this value would come from the profits expected in the next 10 years. This long-term vision is essential for understanding business value. To be at the top of our industry from the start, we must prepare for the long-term battle. It is precisely this preparation that makes a business profitable. Ideas don't come to fruition on their own. Many have mistakenly evaluated certain innovations as mere accessories full of secrets. When it was revealed that Steve Jobs' real plan was to launch the iPhone and iPad, it started the popular line of portable devices. The lesson here is that the most successful companies rely heavily on the vision of their founders to reach their full potential. Ideas are not kept. They are put into action with the necessary people to execute them. Escape the trap and achieve the life you deserve by turning problems into opportunities. Crises, I repeat, all of them, are a call to change and transformation. They present a great opportunity that cannot be wasted. This necessary evil pushes us to adapt and grow. Those who do not see the opportunity in their crisis are doomed to suffer intensely. But those who see the opportunity enter a dimension where they will not only do better, but also develop a mindset where simply problems do not exist. Every loss hides the seed of a gain for those who know how to look for it. Now I'm going to say something very important, and I need you to pay close attention. These are the 6 renunciations you must make every day to achieve total success. 1. Choose fulfillment over recognition. We all appreciate being recognized, but the challenge is that others' recognition is uncertain and temporary. If we anchor our journey in others' recognition, we will face a constantly frustrating life. It is essential to direct our actions by our own principles and values. Fulfillment comes from knowing you are true to yourself and your mission. 2. Choose future potential over financial gain. Many of our dreams require money. sometimes a lot of money. There is no problem in wanting to have money, but in this context, I'm referring to the moment when we need to prioritize potential over immediate financial gain. There are times when it is necessary to reduce income to invest in something that will bring much greater returns in the long run. When making decisions in life, it is better to base them on potential rather than short-term money. 3. Choose to constantly learn. Personal growth depends on our actions, and we need to be intentional in this process. Our senses become more attuned to the lessons and opportunities that life offers us for this purpose. During your process of personal growth and search for success, life will present opportunities where you will have to decide between avoiding or facing challenges. Face these challenges, as the impact that your commitment to excellence will have on your life is enormous. It is not enough to have intentions. You also need an action plan that keeps you moving, making you more productive and disciplined. 4. Manage your time wisely. Time is your most valuable resource. Continuously following a pattern can prevent you from breaking out of your conformity. On the other hand, if you want to achieve success, you need to have more than just $1 million in the account. But how to reach this million? It is essential to cultivate the qualities and skills necessary to thrive in the world of entrepreneurship, investments and business, especially in digital businesses. Nowadays, many 18-year-olds are making fortunes through the internet. And do you know how to make money from it? 5. Cultivate the qualities and skills necessary to thrive. Self-made millionaires often share specific traits, and if you have them, your chances of becoming a millionaire increase dramatically. But even if you don't initially have them, these characteristics can be learned and improved over time. Pay close attention and keep an eye on opportunities. These traits include resilience, adaptability, and a strong work ethic. 6. Take control and be the creator of your own story. Think of the millionaires you admire: Jeff Bezos, Oprah Winfrey, Elon Musk, or any other millionaire. They all have one thing in common. They are CEOs of their own lives. This means they don't wait for others to make decisions for them. Instead, they lead, set goals, and work tirelessly to achieve them. They take initiative and create their own opportunities. For example, observe Elon Musk's trajectory. He didn't wait for someone to give him opportunities. He created them. Don't wait for opportunities to fall from the sky, because only rain falls from the sky. If you want opportunities to get rich, create your own opportunities. Remember, life is your business, and you are the boss. So take control and take your life to the next level. Before we move on to the next step, subscribe to the channel. We aim to reach 100,000 subscribers by the end of this month. Can I count on your support? Click and subscribe. Dream big. After all, that is what initiates any great achievement in life. Now I'm going to tell you the real secret. First, you dream, then you turn that dream into a goal, and then you turn the goal into an objective. I'll tell you how this works in practice. Let's say you dream of traveling to the United States. That's the dream, to travel to the United States. But what is the goal? The goal is to visit Los Angeles. And what is the objective? The objective is to do this on July 13th next year. To achieve your goal, maintain your determination and never give up. Imagine yourself up there, among the few who have reached the peak of excellence. This is possible as long as you are willing to invest time and effort. Patience and discipline are your best allies on this journey. Stay focused, keep moving forward, and never let anything stop you from achieving the greatness you deserve. Think of someone who embodies this commitment to excellence. People who commit to hard work and never give up on their dreams reach great heights and inspire others to do the same. Remember, success is going from failure to failure without losing enthusiasm. It's this unwavering commitment that sets the truly successful apart from the rest. Cultivate a strong desire to learn. The moment you think you know everything is when you become stagnant in life. What you know is just a glass of water, but what you need to learn is like the water of the sea. Nothing transforms life more than personal development. It is the key that can open the doors from poverty to prosperity. Imagine yourself as a fearless explorer navigating the seas of knowledge in search of treasures that will change your life. Embrace every learning opportunity as a stepping stone toward your goals. Set aside 30 to 60 minutes every day to learn something new. Surround yourself with people who have already achieved what you desire. This opens the doors to a new worldview. Winners not only support your dreams, but also radiate positivity, focus, and an endless thirst for growth. Being around them is like absorbing their winning mindset. Therefore, do not underestimate the power of choosing your company carefully. Join only those you respect, admire, and genuinely like. Turn challenges into opportunities. Every challenge is a chance to grow and learn. An optimist's mind is like a fertile garden where brilliant ideas bloom every day. They nourish their thoughts with hope and confidence, cultivating a perspective that transcends present limitations. While others drown in doubts and fears, optimists swim bravely toward their goals, never losing sight of the bright horizon of possibility. This mindset is crucial for overcoming obstacles and achieving success. Self-discipline is not an option, it is a necessity. It is the fuel that drives them beyond excuses and distractions. It is the ability to look at the final goal and say to yourself, I will get there no matter what. The next time you feel tempted to procrastinate or give up, remember the power of willpower. Be your own motivator, your own personal trainer. After all, it is self-discipline that turns dreams into reality. Live a life with purpose and meaning. Don't leave your passions as distant dreams. Make them a reality. Find ways to incorporate them into your daily life, even if initially only as a hobby. Dedicate yourself to them with all you have, and you will see that the universe will conspire in your favor. When you follow your passions, you are not only shaping your future, you are creating your own happiness. Follow them with courage, determination, and a heart full of fervor. This passionate pursuit will fuel your journey toward success. Never give up in the face of failure. Failure is just a step toward success. Millionaires do not let themselves be discouraged. They see each failed attempt as a learning experience, not a definitive defeat. When something doesn't work, it is just a sign that there is something new to learn, a new strategy to develop. Successful people who became millionaires do not waste experiences. They learn and grow from each one. This resilience is key to their success. Work hard. It is not enough just to dream. Action is needed. Get in the ring and fight harder than ever. Wake up earlier, work until late. While everyone else is watching TV or browsing the internet, you will be out there doing what needs to be done. It's not easy, but that's what separates winners from losers. Winners do what needs to be done, even when they don't want to. They don't wait for motivation. They create their own motivation. They don't wait for things to happen. They make them happen. This proactive approach is essential for achieving your goals. Manage your time wisely. Time is your most valuable resource. How you use it will determine your success. Cultivate a positive and optimistic mindset. If you cultivate a negative and doubtful mindset, it will flourish in your life. But if you cultivate a positive and optimistic mindset, you will see significant changes in all areas of your life. This mindset will drive you towards success and fulfillment. Remember, what you believe about yourself and the world around you has a direct impact on your reality. When you find yourself thinking negative or self-destructive thoughts, stop for a moment and replace them with positive and constructive thoughts. Remember all the things you have accomplished so far and all the possibilities that are yet to come. This positive mindset will help you overcome obstacles and stay focused on your goals. Finally, comment below. I stayed until the end, so I know you are a successful person. Now, 2 great videos are appearing on your screen that you need to watch as soon as possible if you truly want to become a millionaire. Click on one of them and go watch it. Do it now.